Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Baby Nitro and Uncle Nano Show!
This is my first time seeing a tricycle with wood.
Why? What's with the wood? What do you think is the purpose?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's check. Do you know why?
Why?
It's for the rain. See that?
There's another one there.
Where?
How's that for rain?
Because it will, the roof will be put there on that wood, and then when the rain drops, you will be protected from the rain. Without that, it will be this tight. This will be tighter. But do you have a raincoat? Did Lola Tata buy you a raincoat?
I don't have a raincoat.
How about boots? I think I saw a boots last time.
No, that's dusty boots. I have dusty boots.
Dusty boots.
I never.
How about for the rain boots? Rainy boots.
I do not have rain.
I think you do. Yes, you do.
No, that's the rusty boots. That's the rusty boots.
Rusty boots.
It's because I never used it, but I only used it when I was 5 years old.
You need to have, because it's already rainy season, and the dust or the mud will be all over the place. Yeah, and then you be careful whenever you run in school, because the path is slippery. Did you know that when I was your age, I slipped and then I fell on the ground, a slippery ground, and then there was tae. Ew, disgusting.
Wait, say it in English.
Huh?
Say it in English.
There is poop. Why?